And so he describes flying around the moon. Atmosphere. We have proven atmosphere through our space program at NASA. And more intense gravity. We have proven that through our space program. And also collateral information. For instance, we are all believing this 1/6 gravity based on the Newtonian calculation. If you use the Newtonian calculation, you will find that it gives you what's called a neutral gravity point, or an L1, at only 22,900 miles from the moon on a 1/6. But in reality, all the calculations, whether it was Werner von Braun or any of the sources, which you will find also in the Moon book, has a neutral gravity point in reality of more than 44,000 miles. More than double. And if you understand gravity, it doesn't double or triple, it expands exponentially by the square root. So that means you plug in the same calculation, and due to the actual location of the neutral gravity point, the moon's gravity is 60% that of Earth. Well, how do we find a combined collateral information of this? Well, one, the astronaut Young, I believe it was Apollo 14, he jumps with let's say that these astronauts are fit, so about 180 pounds. So the EVA suit and the environmental spacesuit and all the pack and oxygen weighs approximately another 200 pounds. So that means that this fellow weighs in reality about 360, 380 pounds. Right, so under 1/6 gravity, he'd only weigh 60 pounds. Yet, with all his might, when he jumps in front of that camera, the man can only jump less than 2 feet high. Well, that's not 1/6 gravity, because if you would extrapolate the math out, under 1/6 gravity, you want to come up and have a seat, you're welcome to. Under 1/6 gravity, you would jump 60 feet high. All right, well, is there any other further information that would do that?